What's my name again? Pull up and check my block. It's good then I check the box.
What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another video. If you're new here, subscribe because you're already here. So as you can see by the title, today I'm going to be trying some snacks. I haven't opened it yet. I don't even know where these are from. When I ordered it, it said it was like from snacks from around the world. So it's like a munch pack. We're going to open it right now and see what's in here. And it just came like this. It didn't come in a box or anything. Okay. I'm actually scared. I wonder if it's gonna tell me like what it is. Ooh. Oh, this is what it has in it. Thumbnail. Okay, I'm excited. So it says it's featuring snacks from Argentina, Taiwan, Italy, and more. Like, I don't know which one's which, but yeah. Okay, so I'm just gonna try the first thing, and it's this. It says golden rice crackers, chicken flavored. Oh, damn. That smell just hits you, bro. Oh, this is what it looks like. I should have got fucking water. I'm scared. These actually don't even taste bad. What? I'm trying to find something to compare them to, but they don't really taste like nothing. But they're not bad. I ain't gonna eat them, but they're not bad. Ooh, let's try this Mr. Brownie next. So it's a Mr. Brownie. This is what it looks like. And it says rich, moist, and fudgy. It says try me hot, but we're not gonna try me hot. Okay. Wait, I thought they were gonna be bigger. It looks like a little chocolate chip cake. I don't know. Aww. It smells like Play-Doh. It literally smells like Play-Doh. It literally tastes like I think Play-Doh would taste. Well, fuck it. You know we all taste Play-Doh before. It literally tastes like Play-Doh. Okay. These look good. They're called Tornadoes. Very, very soft, chewy candy. But like, these taste regular. They're good. I wish I knew where they were from though. Oh. From Spain. I wonder what the other one said. Where it was from. But these are fire. And they ain't hard. I fucks with them. Okay. Which one I want? There's two more left. I'm trying to save the best for last, but these both look disgusting. We'll go with this shit. This is from Japan. I don't even know. It says Shimmy Choco Corn. say this shit better not be expired. It smells like them chocolate Rice Krispies. Look at this. Can you see it? That. Oh, almost dropped that. It tastes like a chocolate wafer. I'm not here for it. Well, it's not bad. Actually, this is fire. I ain't gonna hold them. This is fire. Okay, so that was fire. Not even gonna hold them. This last thing is cookies and cream flavored. Little waffle thing. Cookies and cream. Cookies and cream is my favorite fucking flavor of everything. So, it's a European snack. Cookies and cream. Fucking waffles. Rip Van. I don't fucking know. Look at this shit coming out of there. It's super sticky. This, it ain't expired. It looks like super glue. It's some on the front. Oh, this does not smell good. Bruh. Hold on. I'm not even being dramatic right now. The smell is making me sick. Hold on. I don't think that was edible. Alright, that was fucking disgusting. That's it for this video. You guys like this? Let me know. Thumbs up this video. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe, little bitch. It's like, but subscribe to me, y'all. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace.